Thursday afternoon, and we didn't really want a big meal tonight, but we did want something light to eat. And a day or two ago, the food bank people had dropped off several boxes of food up in the clubhouse, and among it was some containers of Campbell's microwavable. This is the Campbell's slow kettle style, Santa Fe style chicken enchilada soup. It says soup with white meat chicken. And I picked up a couple, 3 cans of it, and I thought, well, I'd try this out and do a review of it. So the first thing I did was get on the internet and see what it sold for, and it sells for about $2.29 a container here, a 16-ounce container, which isn't bad for good soup. And it's 380 calories. And the ingredients down here are all the 8s and I's down at the bottom, and it's got a lot of stuff like that in it, but it's what you could expect in canned foods. And the expiration date on it is 4/23/2020. So it's still well within the expiration date, and I'm going to go over to the microwave and pop it in there. The heating instructions are 1.5 to 2 minutes until hot. Stir and serve. But it does say to remove this lid here in the peel-off seal before you microwave it. So I'm going to fix this. Okay. Into the microwave it goes. And 2 minutes and start. Okay, 2 minutes is up. I'll get the, ooh, it is hot. I took the lid off and stirred it halfway through, and it's nice and hot, so it'll go to the table from here. Okay, here it is on the table, and it's nice and hot. Let me taste this and see what it tastes like. Tastes kind of like tomato soup, and it's got some meat and whatnot in it. That tastes pretty darn good. And it's so easy to fix. So I'm going to have this bowl of soup for my dinner tonight. Bridget's over there working on a bowl of tomato soup. And how's it?
It's real good.
Well, good. Now we just wanted something light for dinner tonight, and rather than cook something up or something. This is in the pantry, so decided to give it a try and see how it is. So God bless America, God bless Texas, and what other state could you find a picture like this? Bye.